In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Watchlist. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized list of tickers that you can monitor in one place, making it easier to stay focused on the names that matter to you. First, open Benzinga Pro. You can launch it in your browser or through the app, whichever you prefer. Give it a moment to load so all tools populate correctly. Once you're in, head over to the Watchlist tool. You'll find it in the main navigation area of the platform. The Watchlist tool is where you'll build and view your custom lists of symbols, and it's designed to be quick and straightforward. Inside the Watchlist tool, look for the plus icon. Click the plus to create a new watchlist. This button is your starting point for organizing the stocks or symbols you want to follow. When the new watchlist prompt appears, give your list a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might call it Momentum Stocks, but choose something that fits your strategy, sector, or time frame. Good names help you instantly recognize the purpose of each list later on. Next, start adding tickers. In the symbol field, type the stock or asset symbol exactly as it appears on the exchange. Examples include AAPL or TSLA. As you type, you'll often see suggestions appear, which can help confirm you've got the right symbol. When you're ready to add it, press Enter. You'll see the ticker drop right into your new watch list. Repeat this process for each additional symbol you want to track. Type the symbol, then press Enter. Keep going until your list includes all the names you want to monitor. A few quick tips as you add symbols. Symbols aren't case sensitive, but it's fine to type them in uppercase for readability. If you're unsure of a ticker, start typing what you know and use the suggestions to guide you. And if you're focusing on a theme, like growth, value, or a particular industry, grouping those symbols into the same watch list will make reviewing them faster. That's all there is to it. You've opened Benzinga Pro, navigated to the watch list tool, clicked the plus icon to create a new list, named it, and added tickers by typing the symbols and pressing Enter. Done. Your watch list is now set up and ready for you to monitor the market at a glance, all in one convenient place.